Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to do two problems. One addition, one subtraction of fractions. And then we're going to move on with today's work. Is that okay with you, Dr. Peppers? Okay, Dr. Pepper says it's good, so we'll continue. The first problem we are going to do is 2/3 subtract 1/4. 2/3 subtract 1/4. Mason, can I subtract those fractions how they're currently written?
No.
Why not, Mason? They're not improper.
What?
Good, the denominators are not the same. We need to find the least common denominator. What are my denominators, Mason?
4 and 3.
4 and 3. So I need to list my multiples of my denominators to find the first number that appears in both. What's it going to be, Mason? Good, I need to change these fractions so that they're both over 12 without changing the value. Mason, is either one of them already over 12?
No.
Okay, so I need to multiply each of these fractions by a fraction that equals 1. Because if you multiply by a fraction that equals 1, I'm not changing the value. I'm just changing how it's written. So 2/3. What would I multiply that by, Mason? 3 times what is 12?
4.
4. So I'd multiply by 4/4. Mason, what's my numerator?
Your number 8.
8. Mason, what would I multiply 1/4 by? 3. 3 over 3. My numerator is?
3.
3. 8/12 subtract 3/12. So I go over and I make sure I know what the sign is. Mason, what is the difference between 2/3 and 1/4? You're subtracting 8/12 minus 5/12. Or 8/12 minus 3/12, sorry.
5.
5 what?
8.
Where did you get 8?
Wait, no. Oh, no.
Okay, when you're adding or subtracting fractions, the denominator stays the same. What's the difference in the numerator?
Oh, 5. No.
5/12 is our answer. It cannot be simplified. Oops, that was one of the ones from the board. I should not have done that. Please forgive me.
Yeah.
I will not forgive you. I got it right. So did I. Me too.
Oh, let's look at 1/6 plus 3/4. 1/6 plus 3/4. Liam, can I add those fractions like they are currently written?
No.
Why not, Liam?
Because they're improper fractions.
They are not improper fractions. They do not have the same denominator. So I need to find the least common denominator. What are my denominators, Liam?
6 and 4.
6 and 4. So I need to list the multiples of 6 and 4 until I find the first one that appears in both lists, which is what, Liam?
12.
12. I need to change these so that they're both over 12 without changing the value. Liam, is either one over 12 already?
No.
No. So Liam, what would I multiply by 1/6 to give me a denominator of 12? 2. So I have to multiply by 2 over 2. And what is my numerator going to be? 2. Because 1 times 2 is 2. Liam, what would I multiply by 3/4 to give me myself a denominator of 12? 3 over 3. So my numerator is 9. I go over here and I look and I see that it is addition. Liam, 2/12 plus 9/12 is 11/12. This cannot be simplified either. So that would be our final answer. If you don't simplify and it can be simplified, I do mark them wrong because I'm a meanie. I'm a meanie. Oops, this was one that we've already had to do on the board too. So now I've given you 2 answers.
Oh, nice.
Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Subscribe, save the bee.